Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Microsoft Edge has received a minor bug fix update, which was rolled out late yesterday in my part of the world again on the 3rd of September. Now, this is not the weekly security fixes for the Chromium platform. This is just a bug fix update that Microsoft Edge has rolled out. So, I'm sure that if not later today, tomorrow we will get the security updates rolling out for Microsoft Edge for the Chromium platform. Now, as always, to check we have the update, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And after this update has been applied, the version in bold is sitting on 128.0.2739.63, and that's been bumped up from 0.54. And over and above that, Microsoft says they have fixed various bugs and performance issues, which is common. They push these performance and bug fixes out almost on a weekly basis. And then there is a fix which Microsoft has detailed. They say they fixed an issue that prevented pages from fully loading when retrieving resources from the HTTP cache, and DevTools showed the requests failing with a net error failed. Now, I think that is more for your devs and your system admins, but nonetheless, that is listed as a fix. So if you have experienced any issues since upgrading to version 128, which is the latest release, and I'll leave that video for that version upgrade down below and in the end screen, then just check your browsers up to date sooner than later. And as always, I have had a quick look around the browser, and I'm not noticing anything at this stage that Microsoft has changed when it comes to tweaks and adjustments and front-facing features. And as mentioned, I'm sure the security updates for the Chromium platform will be rolling out over the next day or two for Edge. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.